So with the theme Catharsis, it's about letting everything go, venting all your frustration, anger, and troubles. So I decided to complain about the year 2020, which honestly hasn't been a very good year. So now I would like to recite my poem titled 2020. The year started off just fine, with all the world about to cry. Someone I've never heard of in my life, for some reason, flooded the headlines with bitter strife, almost as if he blew up overnight. And then the virus's existence came to light, spreading rapidly on ships and flights. Iran's missiles hit US bases, followed by so many mischoices. Iran's guns pointed their own plane down. Things couldn't get worse. But 2020 says otherwise. Virus deaths climbing, an impeachment proceeding, normality disappearing, followed by boredom. Many of us couldn't fathom working and learning at home whilst the virus is raging, unceasing. The US needs to reconsider its policing. 2020 has been a terrible year, but at least things are changing. Thank you.